Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add a payment method on Booking.com, so let's jump right in. But before you begin, make sure you already have an active account. As you can see, I'm currently logged in. If you don't have an account yet, just head over to Booking.com, sign up, and then log in. Once you're signed in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. This will take you to your account settings. On the left-hand side, or in the options available, look for Payment Details and click on it. Here, you'll be able to view any cards or payment methods already linked to your account. If you'd like to add a new card, simply click on the option that says Add New Card. A secure form will pop up where you can enter your cardholder name, card number, expiration date, and any other required details. Once you've filled out the form, hit Save Changes to link the card to your account. From that point forward, your new card will be available to use for hotel bookings and other payments directly on Booking.com.